Have you ever wondered how a whole house fan works? Let's explore the mechanics behind this effective cooling system. Whole house fans are a powerful tool for home comfort, but many people don't fully understand their operation. Let's break it down. A whole house fan is a ventilation system designed to move large volumes of air throughout your home by pulling it from your living space. Its primary purpose is to cool your home and improve ventilation, especially during cooler evenings or nights. Understanding how it works starts with its key components, usually installed in the ceiling or attic. At the heart of the system is a high-powered motor and fan blades designed to move massive amounts of air. Crucially, the system relies on attic vents or louvers to allow the air pushed by the fan to escape the house. The mechanism of action is surprisingly straightforward, relying on the principles of air pressure. When the fan is active, it pulls cooler outdoor air inside through open windows or doors. This creates positive pressure in your attic, forcing the air you've pulled through the home into the attic space. Finally, the built-up air is pushed out through your attic's vents, clearing out trapped heat. What does this mean for you? Let's look at the primary benefits of using a whole house fan. They are highly energy efficient, often costing significantly less to operate than traditional air conditioning. Beyond cooling, they improve indoor air quality by constantly refreshing the air inside your living space. However, there are important safety and operational considerations to keep in mind. You must ensure your attic has sufficient venting, otherwise the fan will struggle to move air effectively. Always be mindful of backdrafting, which can pull dangerous combustion gases from gas appliances into your home. Remember, this system only works when windows are cracked open to allow for proper airflow. In conclusion, a whole house fan is an elegant, efficient solution for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. By leveraging simple air pressure, you can keep your home cool and fresh all season long.